Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time to cook fried chicken. This is egg before I put the chicken. This is the chicken. I marinate this chicken last night with salt, black pepper, lemon, and this is the egg. Before I fry the chicken, I need to dip it in the egg, in the flour also. Where is the corn flour here? I'll mix corn flour in all-purpose flour. There is the all-purpose flour. This one is the all-purpose flour. I'll mix it with the corn flour to make the breading crispy. Before first I need to dip the chicken here in the in the egg, and then dip it in the flour before I fry it. I'm gonna cook this for lunch. While I'm busy cleaning the house, hanging the clothes, I need to cook this. I need to do multitask because I'm busy. If I cannot do multitask, I cannot finish this in lunchtime. After I dip this in the egg, I'll dip it in the flour, the mixed all-purpose flour and the corn flour. And then when the oil is hot, we need to make it hot, the oil, so that it will not stick in the pan. See, and then after I'll mix the flour and the this is for breading. The problem of this is very with oil, wasting oil, because you need to deep fry, and then we cannot keep the oil anymore because the flour in this chicken it's burning in the oil. I marinate this last night so that the flavor of the chicken will stay inside the meat, and it's more delicious if the overnight marination. That's all, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. And this is me. Bye bye.